Hi kiddos! Today we're going to be practicing with our sight word, and the word of the day today is can. Let's read this word together. Ready? My turn. The word is can. Your turn. Word. Good job. My turn. Can. Excellent job. We're going to practice with our sight words, and you have some options. I'm going to teach you one of the options today. And every day this week, I'll teach you a new option. So your first decision today is to practice your sight word by writing it 5 times on your whiteboard. Let me see what that looks like on my whiteboard behind me. I'm going to clean it up. And then I'm going to take my marker, and I'm going to write this word can 5 times. With C, A, and N. After you write it, you can either write them below each other, or you can erase and start over each time. But by the end of practice, you need to have written the word can how many times? 5 times. Good job. Have a great rest of your day.